The first three-dimensional structure of a pre-fusion coronavirus spike protein, and then rapidly our group and many other the protein of 270 amino acids, and they fully searching, and we actually did change some amino acids.
Our senior producer is Jim Levins. I'm Bob McDonald. Thanks for listening.
You're listening to CBC Radio 1, 90.
So I'm here at the farm today all by myself. I once in a while get maybe since our twins have been born, I've probably gotten 2 days off to myself. Anyways, I got the day off so that I could come here and work. But I don't mind. I'll take any time off I can get. So I am going to be building tomato or raised beds for our hoop house, which will house our tomatoes out of this. It's dock skirting. My husband did a dock job and took all the skirting off, and instead of tossing it away, it'll work for a raised bed. This is what I've got, and if I don't use this, it's going to a landfill. If I don't use this, I have nothing. So this is what I've got, this is what we're using, and today you can watch me build some tomato beds. There you go. Nice. So that is garden bed building day one. I've got one bed built. I'm still not too sure how I'm gonna do the back. I'm not really too worried, and I'm kind of thinking I can kind of slope the soil. Plus I might be able to use the posts on the back. So I'm not gonna use up material yet. I'm gonna figure that out. But we've got a ton of salvaged wood, so we've got more than enough wood for me to figure out what to do in the back here. But yeah, it was an awesome build. Zero instruction, zero, you know, plans. I have some salvage material, and I knew that I want to put a box on this side. I want to put a box on the other side, and eventually I'd like to do boxes down the middle. But yeah, it was, as you can tell by my face, it was an awesome day. I'm left-handed, so my whole life I've either gotten used to using tools such as scissors and other things with my right hand. But when it comes to saws and chainsaws and stuff, I will use my right hand or I will use my left hand. But what I've noticed over the years, every time I've tried to use especially a saw, is that I'm reaching over something and I'm not doing it safely. And saws, chainsaws, they never felt comfortable in my hand. I always felt awkward, and that awkwardness made me scared of the machine. So I stayed away from it, and obviously I don't do construction. But my husband brought home this baby for me, and she's a left-handed skill saw. Finally, they're making tools for left-handed people. So I'm very happy that DeWalt makes a left-handed skill saw. It's light, it's really, really great. It feels so natural in my hands. The only thing I struggle with is this trigger, this safety trigger. I think just because of having small hands and not used to using 2 fingers to operate something, but I'll get there. But I'm just really happy that I was able to get out here first off by myself, and that I was able to build something with zero know-how and be able to use the tools and use them successfully. It's an awesome experience, and if you've never used tools, if you're nervous, if you're left-handed, check out left-handed tools and see what's available for you. I mean, it's really sad. It's something that I've discussed with my husband several times, that I always felt that I was limited because I had a dominant hand that didn't fit the mainstream society. So pretty jazzed about this, and I'm really super stoked that once we start building our homestead or our house, I'll actually be able to participate in the building other than just clean up and, you know, hammering some nails. I might actually be a legit functional worker on our site. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about how I built some of these things, anything at all, if you've got any advice, feel free to shoot it my way. I'd appreciate it. And have a great day, and thanks for watching.